How to add debit or credit card on Walmart app. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application Walmart is already installed on a device. Once you have the application on a device, open it. Wait for a while for it to load. You have to enter your login credential, as in your email address and the password, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, you will land on this page. Once you are in this page, head over to Account at the bottom right corner of the screen. It will be landing you on the Account section. Now click on the Settings at the top right corner of the screen. Head over to Wallet. Tons of different options will be visible to you, but as you're looking forward on how to add a credit card or debit card, click on this option, Credit or Debit Card. It will be landing you on this page. In this page, what you want to do is, first of all, you have to enter your card number of your credit or debit card. And then enter the first name and your last name. Then enter the expiration date and also the CVV number. You also have to enter your phone number and your billing address. Once you have entered all of the information of your card, tap on Save Card and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add credit or debit card on Walmart app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.